Hi guys!
This is Shrenika.
And this is Sharnika.
And you're joining the S2 Sisters.
It's gonna be so good. Watch this.
Hi guys, actually we are traveling to the airport right now because I'm going to travel to my native place for my higher studies, which is India, Tamil Nadu. For my higher studies, and I'll be leaving my sister and I'm gonna go. So we just wanted to inform you guys, so it's gonna be just her. And if I can join, like,
Whenever I go for summer vacation, I will surely pull her up and take videos with her. So till then, you guys should bear with me. We'll have fun.
yeah, you'll have fun with her, don't worry, she's equivalently good. I've been in this place since childhood, and deciding to leave this place was really hard for me. And I'm leaving this place because I know that when I go there, I'll achieve something and come back over here. So that's why I'm leaving this place. That's why I'm leaving this place and my sister behind. So it's actually really sad leaving all my people over here, including my sister.
But that's life, right? She's in 11th. When are we going? We cannot stay here forever. It's not
Yeah.
our place. So one day we need to go, and the day has came to my sister now.
Yeah, and it's really a turning point in my life. I never expected this day would come so fast. I thought we were gonna be here for a little bit long due to the COVID cases going on, but there are some turns that you don't expect, and that turn has come for me as well. So yeah, this is what I wanted to tell you guys, that I'm leaving.
It's gonna be hard, but we just wanted to inform you guys and get your blessings also. So thank you so much for supporting till the end for
Yeah.
Shrenika and us, both of us. Your support has been great. So she will be there. That doesn't mean that she will never show her face again.
Yeah, I will be there, but not frequently. That's the only thing. So, but I will be here. Don't worry. And I'm actually really happy because I'm gonna be with my other family in India. So, so India's welcome is going to be really heartwarming. So I'm gonna enjoy that as well. But I have two homes. One is India and one is Oman. So it's like sad on the other side, and I'm really happy to visit India again. So it's like a mixed feeling right now, but I don't know. As you can see, we are traveling right now, so bear with us about all the sound. We are going to the airport right now, so
And we'll also show you a sneak peek of the airport.
yeah. And I request all of you to support my sister. She's amazing. She's really talented. She can show you a lot of things. So please do support her. And before you move on, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you all she'll see you all in the next video. Bye!